Ekaaro, Eku Ojumo, good morning. Iba Olodumare, glory be to the Most High. Today is June 14, 2021, and today is Sango, Yemonja Worship Day. And as always, we have to be so grateful for waking up in the morning. Today's a rainy day here. Waking up in the morning, hold your ori with both hands and say thank you, Olodumare, for everything. Because remember, gratitude is the attitude that will always lead you to success. This morning is a prayer for showers. As it's raining today, let us pray on the rain. Let us pray that we have showers of blessings in our life. Let us pray that we have showers of prosperity. And for everybody to have shower of long life and good health. Let grace shower in our lives and we never lose it. Let the rains of blessing, rains of wealth, rains of happiness, rains of togetherness in relationship, because a lot of people have been calling me with relationship woes. He's not doing this. She's not doing that. Why can't? So today, let all that just rain away. Let it wash away. Let the rain of purity wash it away. And let the energy of Sango and Oya ignite togetherness, ignite winning, ignite grace, ignite all array for you, all blessings for you. Everything that you desire today, let the rains wash it in your life. Ase Ireo.